Hey YouTube everyone, I show you guys how to easily remove this line. Okay, I let you know because we had no special tool take it out this one, because problem is this nut socket, look at that, not outside, inside. So we need the bit key. We didn't find anywhere this key, so we go the Home Depot, take it out, this bit nut and two screw and one washer, and we take it out easy. Okay, I show you. Look at that, too easy. First thing about that, we need two type. We use it any glass side here, right? We use it here right now. This two, it's easy. So we use this two and counterclockwise. Use the inside the nut and then loosen it. Use hand. And take it out easy, because we are facing this line is leaking this socket. Because you see here the leak any oil here, so this take it out, use the special tool. We have the idea no more use the special tool, only cheap one, only $6.50, only that's it. So easy, take it out that one. Okay, right now we change it a new one. Okay, right now we use a special tool here, Home Depot special tool. Okay, tighten it up. Don't too tight the over. Đeo thế được rồi. Mà mì đâu. Hả chị? Okay, only does this.
Put it back with yours.
This socket push in back.